Hey, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hopefully you'll subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today's video is all on this hair that I'm wearing. This hair is from Toyotress on Amazon. They were kind enough to send it to me. I saw this on Crowned K on YouTube and I had to have it, so I reached out to them and they sent it to me. I have in almost 7 full packs of hair. Each pack comes with 18 braids in them and they are the Goddess braids. So they have these little curly pieces that come off of them. So I did record myself doing some of it, not the whole thing, because it gets to be a bit repetitive and boring. So let's just get started. The hair came packaged in these little plastic bundles and each bundle had 18 braids. So here's what the braid looks like up close, and they are pre-looped. So whichever way you want the braid to fall, that is what way you should insert your crochet needle. So since I want that braid to go to the left side of my head, I'm going to insert the needle pointing down towards the left, and that just makes sure that the loop is kind of hidden under the braid. I did have a hard time with the curly pieces at first, like trying to figure out how to get them through the loop, but as I went through my head, it got a bit easier for me. The loops are smaller in size and you can't stretch them open any wider since the hair is braided. You kind of just have to work with it. I just wanted to show you guys what I was talking about earlier. Since now that I'm on the right side of my head, I am pointing the needle down towards the right because that's how I want the hair to fall. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, of course, share it with somebody else. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this hair out for yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.